A very good evening to all. I hope you all are doing well. I am very grateful to having such a great opportunity to be here and give wings to my thinking and my opinion on the most powerful duo of life, which is mindset and mentality. So first of all, I sincerely apologize if I will have made any mistake, so please forgive me. So let's move towards my topic. So what does mindset mean? Mindset is a set of beliefs that shape how you make a sense of world and yourself. It influences that how you feel, how you think, and how you behave in the given situations. This means that whatever you believe about yourself, that make impact on your success and on your failures too. So it's all about the mindset. Let's move towards the mentality. Mentality is a way of thinking, or which we can say that it's the ability to think and learn. For example, if someone says that you have a mentality of a kindergartner, that's great if you are in kindergarten. But if you are in 10th grade, they are probably calling you immature, and this matter a lot. So if you really want to improve yourself, so discipline your thoughts, stop thinking too much, don't go into the past, don't go into the future, be in present. Why? Because only then it's possible, the mind is free, the capacity is free, and now you can completely immerse into whatever you are doing, and this means you have arrived. So I have some tips for changing mindset to the better life. So at very first one, be open minded. Be open minded. It isn't like that you go for this and this for two. It's all about your thinking, and you have to be prompt. Second of all, be more accepting. Try to accept the situations as it is without making any excuses. Try new experiences. Trying new experiences is also important because it enhances the creativity in your mind. Then be more disciplined, have a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude is also important because it's matter that how you deal with the situations, how you deal with the problems positively. Then the most important factor, or we can say that it's a most important aspect, that learn from your failures. Whatever you did in your past, which kind of mistake you did in your past, try not to repeat it again, because no one is there to explain you, no one is there to remind you that which kind of mistake you did in your past. So keep it in your mind that which kind of mistake you made in your past, and try to improve it by your own self, and try not to repeat it again in your present or in your future. And then stay fit and healthy. Stay fit and healthy is also important because it's matter, because if you are not healthy, if you are not fit, then you can't do anything. So for doing something you have to be strong, fit and healthy. That's why the health is also important. Then after that, always plan your day. Always planning your day is also important because it's matter, because it's help to utilize your day, utilize your time properly. Then set the high goals. Setting a high goals isn't like that you will achieve your goal, but you will achieve something unexpected, and that's matter a lot. Then lastly, I just want to say that try to start your day, try to begin your day with positive thinking, with positive thoughts, because it's help to inhale the positivity in your life instead of negativity. Try to remove negativity from your life and inhale the positivity. Then if once you remove negativity from your life, then you can clearly see the beauty of positivity. So as we all know that Mr. Bean always says that being sad is a waste of time. Try to find your own happiness in every small things, and be the reason of someone's smile, and that makes you happy. So it's all about today, and it's all about the mindset and mentality. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.